Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are safe and fine at home. Children, in previous class we had learnt about what is agriculture and livestock. In today's class, let us learn about food crops and cash crops. First of all, let us know what is food crop. Once I'll read out the meaning of the food crop. All of you listen. The crops grown to meet the food requirements of the people. Example, rice, wheat, millets and maize. Children, now I will show you one video about food crops. Kindly watch the video.
Food crops of India. India has a diverse physiography, climate and soil. Because of this, a variety of food crops are grown here. The most widely cultivated food crops in India are rice. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. It is the most important crop and 34% of India's land is covered with rice fields. The major rice producing states are West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. Wheat. Wheat is another major crop cultivated in India. Uttar Pradesh cultivates 35% of the total wheat produced in the country. The major wheat producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana. Jawar. This crop is grown where the climate is hot and dry. Maharashtra cultivates 50% of the total jawar produced in the country. The jawar producing states include Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Pulses. Pulses are grown in dry climatic regions of India. They are a major source of proteins. Madhya Pradesh is the leading pulses producing state in India. Madhya Pradesh produces 24% of the total pulses in the country. Name 5 other important crops of India. Also find out where they are grown and what the climatic conditions required for their growth are.
Children, I hope everyone understood about food crops. Now let us know more about cash crops. First, I will read out the meaning of cash crops. Cash crops, the plants that people grow to sell and not to eat or use themselves. Example, sugarcane, jute, oil seeds, cotton, tea, coffee and spices. So these crops are not eaten by the people. That is, after buying they will eat. First they will sell the crops to others. Afterwards we will buy from them. For example, sugarcane, jute, oil seeds, cotton, tea, coffee and spices. Now let us see a small video about cash crops. And now let us know the meaning of cash crops. Crops grown for their economic value rather than personal consumption are known as cash crops. Now let us have a look of some of the most widely cultivated cash crops. Sugarcane, it is an important cash crop of India. It grows in the temperature for about 15 to 40 degrees and it also requires rainfall between 100 to 150 centimeters and a fertile soil. So sugarcane is cultivated in states like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Punjab, Haryana and Bihar. You can see the states on the map of India. Next comes the coffee. Indian coffee is said to be one of the finest coffee grown in shade rather than direct sunlight. India produces only 4.5% of the total production of coffee in the world. 80% of coffee is exported to countries such as Germany, Russia, United States of India. Coffee plantations are mainly found in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. You can see the states on the map. Next comes the jute. India is the largest producer as well as consumer of jute products in the world. India consumes roughly about 15% of the world's jute made products. Jute is grown primarily in West Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. You can see the states on the map of India. Next, tea. India is the largest producer of tea in the world. It also consumes about 70% of its tea produce. Tea is cultivated in areas with a tropical climate, needs excess rainfall and grows best in the hilly regions. Tea is grown in the states like Assam, West Bengal, Karnataka, Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Children, now you saw the video about cash crops. I hope everyone understood about it. Children, in today's class we learnt about food crops and cash crops. I hope everyone understood about the crops. Children, in the school we are distributing textbooks. Those who have not taken the textbooks, kindly take from the school. Children, from next week I'll be starting the regular classes from the lessons from the I'll be doing the lessons from the textbook. So I request everyone to buy the textbooks from the school. Children, for your homework today I'll be giving you a worksheet. Kindly do the homework and send it through BPAP. Thank you.